6, 2.8, but the more you use, the thicker you make it, the more expensive.
Don't need to move.
And you don't need
No, you're
it's
fine.
overkill.
Thank you for taking pictures, Paul, because usually that's what I do, and I have.
This is a video.
So busy with food.
I just wanted to see.
How do you keep it at 2.3?
Okay, that's where you use your notch trowel. But see what the problem is in North America, I don't know what you do in South America. North America we have the handled trowels, and we always come in on an angle. And this one here, you're supposed to be more on a vertical. Just on a vertical. And it's just gonna...
And that's on 2 mil InstaLay?
3 mil.
3 mil InstaLay.
3 mil.
Hey, Bas. It looks like somebody spilled something.
It is. That's
Watch
why-
out, Baz.
Sorry. Be careful, Paul, because you got on the carpet.
Yeah, please.
And you have 15 minutes to play with them.
15 minutes?
15 minutes. Yeah. And then simply just trowel it out, and then the second part is with the pin rollers. They're just going to come behind and just pin and roll it up.
Eso lo que
And
te
that's
da
it.
realmente a...
Then you let it
Eso
dry.
te lleva a temperatura. Eso te lleva a temperatura.
Sí,
You
también.
see how the pins just
So
disappear?
both of them help you go reach the 2 point something.
Yeah,
2.2.
exactly. And it's going to give you the consistent that you're looking for. And it's that easy.
And then suddenly it's finished.
And it looks like that.
That's a different color.
Eso quita las burbujas.
So Kita, that's for...
This is a pin roller. It just, what it does is it allows air in and it pushes the cork particles up and levels everything up at the same time.
I have a question.
Sure.
This product sorry for my English.
No, you can speak Spanish and do it. You can translate, that's fine. So,
Poner este producto encima de porcelanato es posible, o sea, sobre un porcelanato existente, se pega, se adhiere, o hay que ponerlo.
same concrete?
Yeah, no, we're...